from Santoro. They giving you the nuts and bolts and screws to make it all happen, and it's labeled. So we got trap door, hand control, transmission lid, transmissions side and clutch cover, lifter blocks, cam chest, derby cover, primary cover. Okay, and all the little oohs and ahs that go with it. So, okay, let's see what it do. Nunu 2.0 remix.
Let me FaceTime my op.
Well, my thing is, if you're gonna come in swinging, you might as well swing high. You might hit something. Yeah, that part right there. If you're gonna come in swinging, this is how you should come in. Swinging them hard. Money stereo installation. Just letting you see what I see. We out of here.
I'm in the street, yes, AGs, I'm putting something to sleep. He on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet. I put 10 on this.
I guess you could say it's all in the details. As they say, you know. Peekaboo.
What they talking about? They talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Pickable.